Oh Allah, the Almighty. I want to see every single hand should be up on Allahu Allah. Every single hand. Oh Allah, the Almighty. Allahu Allah. Protect me and guide me. Allahu Allah. Oh, to your love and mercy. Allahu. Ya Allah, don't deprive me. Allahu Allah. From beholding your beauty. Allahu Allah. Oh, my Lord, accept this plea. Allahu Allah. Say together, Hasbi Rabbi Jallallah. Allah, ma fi qalbi ghayrullah. Allahu Allah, Allah, Hasbi Rabbi Jallallah. Allahu Allah, Allah, ma fi qalbi ghayrullah. Allahu Allah. Say loudly, la ilaha illallah. Allahu Allah, Allah, la ilaha illallah. Allahu Allah, Allah, la ilaha illallah. Allahu Allah. Now there's a question in the second stanza, the next share of this Hamd Bari Ta'ala. There's a question.